Welcome back to Slate Bites. Today we'll be exploring Home Slate. One way to navigate to Home Slate is to click on the featured icon at the top right of any Slate page. From there, you may select Home Slate. Another way is to hover over the Slate icon in the top left corner and click Home Slate from the drop-down. Both options get you there fast. Use whichever works best for you. Now, let's take a quick tour of the side navigation pane in Home Slate. Here, you can access summit registration and schedule, and explore preferred partner information. Select Learning Lab to access your courses or to learn more about Slate Certified. Explore upcoming community conversations, update your community profile, and connect with peers in community user groups. Next, let's click on Webinars. This is where you'll find upcoming Dive Deeper and Slate Presents sessions, plus recordings of past webinars so you can catch up anytime. Beyond webinars, you can explore other events and trainings, and of course, visit the Spirit Shop to grab your favorite Slate swag. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.